Assalamualaikum kids, welcome to my Kids Wonder Hub. Kids, are you ready to learn more phonics sound? Today we are going to learn phonics part 2. So let's start learning. N says nest, nin, nose. O says orange, owl, octopus. P says penguin, panda, parrot. Q says quack, quack, quack. Queen, quiddle, quail. R says rock, rock, rock. Rabbit, rainbow, rose. S says sun, snake, star. T says tiger, tree, turtle. U says umbrella, uniform, unicorn. V says van, violin, vase. W says whale, watch, watermelon. X says xylophone, X-ray, xylophone, fish. Y says yo-yo, york, George. Z says zebra, zoo, zipper. Great job kids! If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to my Kids Wonder Hub. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.